Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you blocked a number on your iPhone and now need to unblock it? No worries, I will show you how to do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Phone. In the phone setting, tap on Blocked Contacts. This will show you a list of all the numbers you've blocked. Find the number you want to unblock, swipe left on the number and tap Unblock. Alternatively, you can tap Edit in the top right corner, then tap the red minus sign next to the number and tap Unblock. And that's it. The number is now unblocked and can contact you anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick and easy tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.